These are on page 280. Exercise 7.1, question 1. Right, first of all, the information they give you cos A is equal to 3 over 5. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent, there's 3 and 5. And using Pythagoras theorem, the square here is 25. The square here is 9. 9 from 25, 16. 4. Alright. And the other one, cos of B, so an angle B. So another triangle is 12. So again, cos is adjacent, 12 over the hypotenuse is going to be 13. Cos B is equal to 12 over 13. So we use the same idea to get, so this is the hypotenuse, 13 by 13 is 169. 12 by 12 is 144. Subtract them and you get 20. Should be 25. Square root 25. That should be 5. Just double check. Yeah, so 169 minus 144, 25. So the area of the square is 25 and the square root of 25 is 5. So if you've got the 3 sides of both triangles. Right, so now you can answer the questions. What is the sine of A? Opposite over hypotenuse. 4 over 5. Tan of A. Opposite over adjacent. 4 over. And we have the cos of A. What's the sine of B over here? Opposite over hypotenuse. And now we do, alright, so the next one. So those done. Now the cos of A plus B. What's the formula? A plus B. So you have it written down. Cos A. So cos A, cos B.
Minus sine A, sine B.
Alright. So we just fill them in. What is cos of A? So the cos of A was 3 over 5. Times the cos of B, 12 over 13. Minus the sine of A, opposite over hypotenuse. 4 over 5 times the sine of B, 5 over 13. It's a simple case of using your calculator now. So 3 times 12, so that's 36 over 5 times 13. So it's 3 over 5 times 12 over 13 equals. So the first one is 36 over 65.
So if you
Minus, hold on 1 second. So 5 times 13 again is going to be 65. So 4 times 5 is 20. So 36 minus 20. 16 over 65 is your answer. We'll continue on before we all right. You can ask your question then. All right. So the next one. We need the formula for. Yeah. So it's 1 minus tan A, tan B, isn't it?
No, that's on the one.
It's tan theta plus tan B.
Yeah. So theta is tan A.
Over 1 minus tan A, tan B.
So I'll just get the formula myself. It's on the previous page. Sorry, tan A plus tan B. over 1 minus tan A times tan B. Alright, so we're just filling a formula. Tan is opposite over adjacent. Tan of A, opposite 4 over 3. Plus tan B, opposite over adjacent, 5 over 12. All over 1 minus tan A times tan B. Tan A again is 4 over 3 times 5 over 12. So again, using your calculator, so you don't make a mistake, 4 over 3 plus 5 over 12 is equal to 7 over 4 on top, divided by, so 1 minus, put in your bracket, 4 over 3, bracket, another bracket, 5 over 12, close your bracket, equals 4 over 9. So that's the same as 7 over 4 multiplied by 9 over 4. (63 over 16). 3.9375, so 63 over 16.